Why does gas buildup occur when salt is deficient? Well, let's dive into the details and understand the science behind it. How is carbon dioxide expelled from our body? Our body continuously produces carbon dioxide through the metabolic breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in the mitochondria. Carbon dioxide is converted into carbonic acid in the blood, then transported either by binding to hemoglobin in red blood cells, or as bicarbonate ions until it is finally expelled through the lungs. What components are necessary for the proper transport and expulsion of carbon dioxide in the blood? The most important component is carbonic anhydrase, an enzyme that rapidly converts carbon dioxide and water into carbonic acid and vice versa. Carbonic acid dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions. In this process, hemoglobin in red blood cells binds to hydrogen ions, and some carbon dioxide directly binds to hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. How does salt deficiency affect gas expulsion? A lack of salt leads to deficiencies in sodium and chloride, making the gas expulsion process inefficient. Two major issues arise. Due to sodium deficiency, bicarbonate ions fail to properly move out of red blood cells. If bicarbonate movement is blocked, carbon dioxide accumulates in the blood instead of being expelled. Additionally, an impaired sodium-potassium pump disrupts ionic balance in the blood, slowing down gastrointestinal motility and digestion, leading to gas retention in the intestines. Due to chloride deficiency, the chloride shift, which involves the exchange of chloride ions and bicarbonate ions within red blood cells, is impaired. This malfunction delays the transport and expulsion of carbon dioxide, causing gas buildup, abdominal bloating, and digestive discomfort. So is salt deficiency related to reduced stomach acid secretion? Well, yes, it is. A lack of salt leads to issues with stomach acid or HCl secretion. Without adequate chloride ions or CLA, stomach acid production decreases, making digestion less efficient and promoting fermentation in the intestines, which generates more gas. What digestive discomfort symptoms can arise from salt deficiency? Typical symptoms include abdominal bloating, burping, heaviness, and gas buildup. These issues result from slower gas expulsion or increased intestinal fermentation, causing excessive gas production and discomfort. Can maintaining proper salt intake help alleviate gas problems? Yes, maintaining proper salt intake can help restore efficient gas expulsion and improve digestive function. Adequate salt consumption ensures balanced sodium and chloride ion levels, normalizing bicarbonate transport and carbon dioxide expulsion. Additionally, normal stomach acid production improves food digestion and reduces gas formation in the intestines. What precautions should be taken when consuming salt? The recommended daily intake of salt is about 6 grams. This recommendation assumes a daily urine output of around 600 milliliters. For higher urine outputs, salt intake should be adjusted. 9 grams of salt for 1 liter of urine, 13.5 grams for 1.5 liters of urine, and 18 grams for 2 liters of urine. Excessive sodium intake can lead to issues like high blood pressure, so it is important to balance salt intake by consuming fermented foods such as kimchi and yogurt and foods naturally rich in sodium. Salt intake is not only crucial for providing sodium and chloride, but also plays a key role in carbon dioxide expulsion and overall digestive health. If you are experiencing abdominal bloating or digestive discomfort, it is worth checking your salt intake and maintaining a balanced diet with appropriate salt levels to resolve these issues.